How to turn off autoplay on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop the next video from playing automatically. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on any video to start playing it. From there, tap once on the video screen to bring up the playback controls. At this point, look for the autoplay toggle at the top right of the video, shown as a small switch icon. In the next step, tap on it to turn it off. Following this, this stops the next recommended video from playing automatically after your current one ends. Once done, keep in mind this toggle only applies while you're watching, so it may reset depending on the video or session. From here, if you'd like a more permanent setting, tap on your profile icon at the top right instead. At this stage, tap on Settings, then tap on Autoplay. Keep in mind, toggle off autoplay next video from this menu to keep it disabled across your account going forward. Finally, go back and play a video to confirm the next one no longer starts automatically once it ends. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off autoplay on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.